Welcome to another video here on my channel, and if this is your first time watching a video from me, then hello, my name is Shuri Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. You already know what this video is about, so let's just hop right into it. This month's theme is right here, and it's Oasis, right there. Really nice. And I have variation number 51. Okay, let's just get into this. This is what the inside is kind of looking like. It does have Luxe right here. It says Luxe underneath. I've never noticed that in any of my other boxes. The very first thing I'm gonna pull out is this charcoal brush set. It's infused with charcoal and antimicrobial effect. So this is a charcoal brush set. The bristles are infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. It's vegan and charcoal infused. So that's what these look like. This one's kind of slanted, if you notice that. It is slanted, and this one's like more rounded. Next item, now I chose this item for this month. I got this satin pillowcase and eye mask set. So this is the pillowcase color, really nice. It came in this bag right here. I don't know if I showed you the bag. It also came with an eye cover, so just put over your eyes. But this is really nice, yeah. Next item I received in my box this month was this Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It's a foaming face wash. So I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. Is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. So this sounds really nice. I can't wait to give this a try. I do have so many face washes right now, so I'm not even gonna like open it or anything. I am curious to see what this product does smell like though, but I'm gonna wait because I want to use it, actually open up and use it when I'm ready to. So we did receive this. This is a really good product to receive in our box this month. Next product I'm gonna pull out is this Pearlie's Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 oil-free moisturizing natural looking coverage matte meets glowy finish. It's for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So that's what this looks like. This BB cream improves skin complexion, softens and evens skin tone, hydrates the skin, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging, prevents UVA, UVB damage. So those are the claims of the benefits that this would give you. So I am gonna try this out once I get rid of my spots. Right now I'm working on getting rid of my spots and acne right now. So once I get those spots gone, I would definitely be giving this a go for like a just throw on and go out the house type of thing. So I'll be trying this out later. Next product I did receive in this month's Boxyluxe was this 2-pack lip pencil, 2-pack lip pencil. So the next product I received in this month's box is the Bodygraphy 2-pack lip pencil set. So let's go ahead and open this. Now I may put this in a giveaway, future giveaway, because I can't even get this out, y'all. Okay, one came out. Let's get the other out. So these are the two colors that they sent me. These two colors right here. Now I'm not gonna swatch these because most likely I'm gonna be putting these in a giveaway. This one seems like it's probably too light for my lips, and this one seems like it might be okay, but it's not a necessity for me. I honestly don't wear lip liner like that, so these two will be going in a giveaway. I just want to show you the shades. It'll be going in a future giveaway. I already have my 2 giveaways already made out and picked out for you guys. So the next product in this box is these Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. This is what the actual packaging looks like. Now I won't open it up because I'm actually using a current mascara right now. But this is really gorgeous. I just want to show it to you guys. Love this, and of course it's in black. It says Ultra Dark Extra Volume Velvet Finish Mascara. So that's what it says. The next product in this box is a weird, so this is a recovery treatment oil. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's get it open. Now, I'm not sure what I'm doing with this. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. Our fast absorbing treatment synthesizes a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, this does not sound like anything I need at all, so I may be giving this away. So last product that I received in this month's box is this Tarte's Pro palette. So these are the shades right here. And it says it's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phosphate, don't know what that word is, sodium something sulfate, gluten, and it's dermatologist tested. So yeah, let's just like open this up. So you can already see it. Look at that, so nice. And then it has like a mirror, so that's really nice. But yeah, here's the front. So we're gonna open it up. Comes with that. It also has a paper in here too. Yeah. So the paper in here just has like different hashtags for these different looks that you try. So you use those hashtags for those different looks if you give those a try from this palette, which I may do, we'll see. It's a good palette for any type of person. If you're a person who likes to do more bold looks, this is great. If you're a type of person who likes to do simple looks, this is really great. So they did really great by putting this palette into this month's box. It's really gorgeous. So I can't wait to do some looks with this palette. I love Tarte. Like, I love Tarte's, a lot of Tarte's products. So I'm definitely excited to use this. We also received these 2 cards in our box this month as well. So this was for the Pearlies BB cream, and this was for the Kylie Skin face wash. So yeah, and this one you get $5 off. Like if you wanted to order something from KylieSkin.com, and this one is just telling you about the ingredients and stuff on the back. So yeah, and all the benefits. So guys, that is everything from this month's box. Let me know your opinion on this month's Boxyluxe. Let me know if you received Boxyluxe, and let me know if we received any of the same products. Please excuse the sun. I see it's coming down to my level now. It's gonna look really awkward. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, you may want to consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload from me. You all have a wonderful day or night. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Bye.